We're doing it on Omega. This is episode 389, part 1. What are we playing against? 389 Live Twins. I win this one. Here we go. Who went first? He went first. Live Twin Sunny Snitch. Live Twin Lila. I know summon Lila. And I hit him with the orange light, sending Diviner. Sets 2 cards. My turn. What do I do here? Alpha. Oh, Alpha. Alpha Delta. Add. Ben 10. Ben 10. Or. Delta. Tribute Ben 10. Activate effect. Reveal a ritual spell or monster. Draw a card. Ben 10's effect. Adding orange light. Cyber emergency. Zeta. Zeta. Tribute Draconids. Add ritual spell. Normal summon Diviner. Activate effect. Send arc light effect. Ultimateness. And from here, I kinda rushed. I activated DRYTRON. I may use DRYTRON for ultimateness right away. I should have went into a move beta Fafnir and then did that, but oh, we Solemn judged this. That's okay. I turned those two into a Verteanic on Copy Red S Fusion, pay 2,000. Dragoon. Dragoon and Verte direct attack. He's left with 500 life points. Let's duel this. Part 2, here we go. Was it as fast? This is part 1. Come on. Why is it taking forever? God damn it. There we go. What time is it? It's like 3 AM. Jesus. Secret passcode. Add 1 live twin or evil twin. Spell trap from your deck to your hand. Sunny Snitch. Activate Snitch for treat. And normal summon Lila. Kill monster from your hand or deck. That was from deck. Yeah, I shuffled this deck. Treat. How to treat? If you control a Lila, I'll summon this card from your hand. One special. Okay, that turned into well force Cybers. Like Disciple. Like Devotee. Devotee. What? The rest of the turn you can make summon monster. Okay. Devotee. Or Disciple, you choose all monsters discard board and place 1 card. At the bottom of the deck. Draw 1 card. Oh. And at the bottom, what? Colon, distributed tokens, okay. Masquerena. 2 monsters including a... What? Key skill. Lila. Special case of kill. Draw. Sets 2. Ultimateness. Draw phase. droplet. Who did I think I went 1, 2. Yeah. Oh, Judgment the droplet. Nova. Alpha. What the heck is this? Shine your opponent normal or special summons a monster. You gain 200 life points and inflict 200. Oh, okay. Delta, tribute alpha. Effect, reveal a ritual spell or monster. Doro. Frost. What the f does Frost do? You banish this card, draw one card. Alpha tribute. Ben 10. Natasha. Ben 10. Orange light. Oh wait, no. That was Alpha get Natasha. Ben 10 get orange light. Move a bit of Fafnir. Ooh. I was gonna dump Gamma. Diviner. And then he's going to IP. And then I negate with orange light. With orange light sending Natasha. Diviner sending Eva. Eva's effect. Banishing orange and ultimateness. And yep, and for the Dragoon play, copy Redis Fusion, pay 2,000. Good old Coon. Coon pop and burn. What the heck was that? Oh, he was going to quick effect special, and then this guy's effect would pop, but then I would Coon him. Negate, gain 1,000. And he had 43, I had 45 on the board right here. He surrenders. Let's duel wins. Okay, this one I was recording. Let's see if he has a deck. So he does. Slayer 101, 398, 389. Okay. Put it online. Yeah, we're at 1080, 1100 now. 389, 389. Here we go. It's the first live twin. Oh. This guy is okay. It's the same one. Oh, okay. Frost and Treat, they kind of look almost the same. Alright, and we're still at 257. 257. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.